Hello, welcome to another tutorial from BTech Enterprise. What we're going to do today is show you how to do a screen capture of any screen that's on your Windows 2000 or Windows 97, even going back to Windows, you can go to Windows 2007. Um, this is a method that you can use if you don't have a mouse or if you don't have some kind of screen capture device to simply capture the screen and then paste that screen into anywhere you want. So here, I'm just going to have a simple, we're going to have a tutorial on a screenshot image, and I'm going to place it here below. So the first thing we want to do is go to the screen that you want to capture. So I'm just going to go to this screen here. And let's say I want to capture this screen, okay? So first I make sure that this screen is in my view and it is selected. So I want to click just somewhere to make sure it's active. You don't want to click anything that links, but you just want to make sure the mouse is on the active screen. Now, typically for a browser, I would make sure I click there, and then you do a control on the keyboard and a print screen. So let me show you that. A control and then a print screen button. Those buttons are here. So the control button is generally some of the last buttons down to the lower right or left. Let's scroll over. You should see a control here as well as here. And what you want to do is you want to simply press the control button here, and then you press the print screen button there. So you want to press the control and the print. Generally, I just hold the control button and then hit the print button when I want to print that screen. Okay, hold the control, then hit print. So now I'm going to go to this screen and do that. I'm holding control, and now I'm going to hit the print screen button, and there. So I did it. And now if you go to your notepad or Microsoft Word, or whatever editor you use, notepad, then you can do a paste. Notice here the button, the paste, you can do a control V. You have to hit those together, or you just hit this button here. In mine, I'm using the Office Writer. And when I do that, that's the screen. So that's the screen image that I took earlier, just now. So you can also, while I have this, it's just like a cut and paste. I can go ahead and do it again if I wanted to paste it again, because it's still in my buffer. So uh, also, what you can do outside of doing it in Word, Microsoft Word or WordPad, Notepad, you can also put this into email. So here's another sample. I have screenshot one, and I'm just going to do a right click on my mouse, and notice the control V again in the paste. So I come down and you can just paste. And so now that is in my email um, window. So I can do it here, or I can go elsewhere. So now what I'm going to do is go back to my browser, and I'm just going to take the Google screen here as the note open tab, and I'm going to do a control and print screen again. Remember, same thing. Hit the control button in the print. Hold the control and then hit print. So hold that and print together. So now I'm going to do it, control print, and go back to my email, and just this time I'm just going to do right click, Control V or paste. So now I have both of those in my email. Also, I'll go back to my Word document that I had open and tab down and Control V this time. And there you go, the image. Also, notice here, do the paste above. And when you're done, you just save it wherever you want to save that. And you have your screen capture done. And let me add, you can add that into Microsoft Paint where you can edit. So there you go. Cut and paste into a Word document and into the email Gmail session. That's the end of this tutorial. I hope it is helpful to you.